Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about YouTube's automatic dubbing as well as some of the AI features that they have now. Now here's an email I got last year. Hi guys, unboxing. Basically saying that they're going to enable automatic dubbing. No action is needed, and it gives me this steps to do if I want to disable it. So it's an opt out, not opt in, which looks like some more of the AI stuff is opt out, not opt in. And I didn't do that, so I ended up getting a lot of stuff on this channel now dubbed into 8 languages. When that email came, they got rid of the subtitles option and replaced it with languages, which is a bit of an issue. Now when I upload new videos, click on them, I don't have the ability before it's processed, finished, so you get these ones here, to just add subtitles, edit the subtitles. It's a bit more difficult now. I have to wait for processing, and you can see this one is 8th of February, so only yesterday, but you can see all these languages are still processing. Even if I go back, let's look at this one. This is 15th of January. All processing failed. So there is a common thing that these things can take days to process. I have a bit more luck with these shorts, but just in general, if I have a look at these, normally it starts with 2 languages, but then it populates with the rest of them. The German published. A lot of them fail. Most of them fail, and quite often, again, it can get stuck for days and days still processing. Some of these, I think if I go back, I can probably find some. Let's try this last video. There we go. Some of them just get stuck processing forever, and there's really no way to tell whether or not it will actually successfully complete. I'm not sure why, but it seems to have a very bad rate of actually successfully dubbing into whatever given language you put in. Now, if I go over to a different channel, this is Sad Silk. And see if I scroll down, there's an automatic dubbing option here. I can go and enable that. Let's see what happens. It gives me this option: allow automatic dubbing, manually review dubs, which is that's default checked. Review dub in experimental languages. So now you can enable it seemingly on any channel. When I got the email for this, I think it was over 250 subs on this channel. So I guess at the time they were only opening up for people with a certain amount of subs. And then after that, I did also get an email for one of my other channels as well, which is not as many subs, but that came after this. So I guess they just sort of reduced the threshold, and now anyone can just enable it themselves. There's also some other AI stuff, enhanced visual and audio quality, which are both enabled by default. I did not click these, they were already enabled like this. At least the third-party companies who train AI models thing means that you have to actually opt into it, but that could be because they're training the stuff on it anyway, and this is third-party companies, so Google can do it regardless of whether you click on it. And maybe if they make this opt-in, it makes it more difficult to the people that they are licensing their data to. I'm not sure how this works, whether or not they're selling the data to people, or whether this allows people to scrape it if you click this. Sure, there's probably more information to learn more, but we'll ignore that for now. Of course, there's other stuff like automatic captions, obviously been there for quite a long time. Yeah, so it looks like anyone can enable the automatic stuff now, and there's also by default on all the channels AI enhancement for the video and audio quality. So that is it for this video. Have you noticed anything unusual with the YouTube AI stuff? I know they've been pushing that a lot. There's been some AI stuff that's come up in the Creator Insider section recently as well. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas, views, and subscribe so we see videos like this in the future.
Yeah.